So yesterday we have completed some part or some questions from the chapter Shivaji's education. Now we are going to start with remaining question answers. So 1 to 5 question answers we have completed, and question number 6 was write the answers in 2-3 sentence each. So from this question also one number question was completed. So now open your workbooks, page number 26. Question number 6, sub question 2. What knowledge did Shivaji acquire? What knowledge did Shivaji acquire? So answer is Shivaji acquired the knowledge of administration. He acquired knowledge of war tactics, fort architecture, selection of horses and elephants, and ways of escaping from difficult enemy territories. Okay. Question number 3. What did Jizabai resolve? After the murder of her father Lakhujirao Jadhav in the open court at the instigation of Nizam Shah, Jizabai had resolved that her son Shivaji would never be engaged in the service of others. He would establish Swaraj, the rule of his people. Okay. Resolve means decided. Question number 4. Write about the Mavalas. Answer is the hard-working, quick-footed and loyal people living in Mawar region were called Mavalas. They were harassed by the armies of the sultans who plundered their villages. Do you understand? Next question. Name the person who accompanied Jizabai and Shivaji from Bangalore to Pune. Answer is Jizabai and Shivaji were accompanied from Bangalore to Pune by a number of component official of Shahaji Raje. They were Shamrao, Nilkanta Peshwe, Balakrishna Hanmante, Mujumdar, Mankochi Dahatonde, Sarnobat, Raghunath Ballar Sabnis, and Sanupanta Dabir. Question number 6. What do you know about Dadaji Kondev? What do you know about Dadaji Kondev? Dadaji Kondev was Subedar of Kondana, who looked after the Pune Jagir when Jizabai and Shivaji were in Bangalore. He was very efficient and honest in his work. He was a just person and a strict disciplinarian. So you see one spelling mistake is there, am instead of am, a and should be there, and honest. Okay, article is there. Do you understand? See, slowly you have to write down these question answers in the workbook, and if you are not understood any question, you can ask me again or you can see that video again. Okay, or pause the video and read that answer 2-3 times, so you will get it, understand. Now question number 7. Give the information about the following in 3-4 sentences each. Shivaji's education. Page number 27. Shivaji's education. Just here we have to give information in 3-4 sentences. So Shivaji's education began at the age of 7 at Bangalore. Where it was started? At Bangalore. The eminent teachers appointed by Shahaji Raje taught Shivaji warfare, to ride a horse, to wrestle, to use swords and nanpatta. He became acquainted with the different branches of learning and arts by the age of 12 years. Second one, Jizabai. We have tried information about Jizabai. Jizabai was the daughter of mighty Sardar Lakhujirao Jadhav and the wife of valiant Shahaji Raje Bhosle. She had acquired knowledge of politics and warfare from her infancy. She was a freedom lover and had resolved that her son Shivaji would establish the rule of his own people. she brought up Shivaji to realize that ideal. Question number third, the inspiration to young Shivaji. Inspiration to young Shivaji was provided by Jijabai. She would say, Shiva, Sri Ramchandra is the ancestor of the Bhosles. Rama killed Ravan and made his people happy. The ancestor of the Jadav is Sri Krishna. He killed Kans and brought relief to his people. So you can also destroy the weak and make your subjects happy. Subjects means people. Then question number 4. Achievement of Dadaji Kondev. Dadaji Kondev built Lal Mahal, the residence for Shivaji and Jijabai in Pune. He encouraged the peasant to cultivate land by giving concession in land tax for a few years. He offered prizes for destroying walls and raised peasant patrols to protect life and property from the thieves. He fixed land venue according to the quality of the soil and made the people happy. Understood? Now fifth question, it's there on the page number, fourth and fifth questions are on page number 28. The new regime of Shivaji. Shahaji Raje placed Pune Jagir under Shivaji's rule. He had assigned some of his competent officials like Shamrao, Nilkanta Peshwe to help Shivaji to govern the Jagir efficiently. Shivaji attended to the grievances of Rayat and punished those who inflicted injustice. The Jagir underwent transformation and gave glimpse of the future Swaraj. Like this we have completed our question answers. Formative evaluation oral work. Answering one word. Answering words. Where did education of Shivaji begin? At what age did education of Shivaji begin? These answers you have to give on your own. I am not going to give you all answers. Who built the Lal Mahal? On which mission did Adil Shah send Shahaji Raje? By what name are the people living in Mawar region called? Okay. Activity and project is given here. Analytical skill. Prepare a comparative chart indicating differences between what you learn and what Shivaji learned in his childhood. In communication skill, read a biography of Veer Mata Jijabai and highlight her character in a speech before your classmates. Imagination. Write and enact a dialogue between Veer Mata Jijabai and Shivaji. Okay. Here subject teacher Mr. Kadangale Pankaj means myself. Okay. So dear students, like this we have completed 5 chapters, 1 to 5 chapters of your workbook. So each and every child's workbook should be completed. Okay. Then after, one more thing, what is your homework? On page number 29, semester 1 open book test is given. It is based on second chapter. So this open book test you have to solve. Open book test means these questions answers you have to find in the textbook. Okay. And after that, on coming Sunday you have to solve closed book test 1, which is given on page number 30. Okay. Fill in the blanks, match the pairs, name the person, answer the following questions in one sentence and answer the following questions in 2-3 sentences each. Like this, all question answers you have to solve in your notebook and you have to send it on school's group as a homework. Understood? Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.